Welcome back to Translate In. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to explain a problem with your mobile phone in English? Don't worry. Today, our amazing teacher Hessam and his eager student Nima will guide you through the essential phrases and tips for discussing mobile phone repairs confidently. Stick around until the end for practical scenarios that will help you master this skill. Let's get started. Hi Nima, how are you today? Hi Hessam. I'm doing well, but I'm a bit worried about my phone. It's been acting strange lately. Oh no, what seems to be the problem with your phone? Well, the screen keeps freezing and sometimes it won't turn on at all. That sounds frustrating. When you go to a repair shop, it's important to explain the issue clearly. You can start by saying, "My phone has been freezing and it won't turn on." That makes sense. What else should I mention? I should also describe any other symptoms. For example, you can say, "The battery drains quickly," or "There's a crack on the screen." Got it. What if I want to ask how long the repair will take? You can ask, "How long will the repair take?" or "When can I expect my phone to be ready?" That's helpful. What if I want to know the cost of the repair? You can say, "How much will it cost to fix my phone?" or "What are the repair fees?" It's good to know the price up front. What if they offer me different repair options? You can ask, "What are my options for repair?" or "Is there a cheaper alternative?" This way, you can choose what works best for you. That's really useful. What if I want to know if my data will be safe? You can say, "Will my data be safe during the repair?" or "Can you guarantee that my information won't be lost?" It's important to ask this. I'll remember that. What if I want to check the warranty on my phone? You can ask, "Is my phone still under warranty?" or "Can I get a warranty for the repair?" This can save you money if it's covered. That sounds smart. What if I want to ask about the parts they'll use? You can say, "Will you use original parts for the repair?" or "Are the replacement parts high quality?" This ensures you get the best service. I'll keep that in mind. What if I want to schedule a repair appointment? You can say, "Can I schedule an appointment for the repair?" or "When is the earliest I can bring my phone in?" This helps you plan ahead. Great. Let's do a quick role play to practice. I'll be the customer and you can be the repair technician. Ready? Absolutely, let's start. Hi, my phone has been freezing and it won't turn on. I'm sorry to hear that. How long has this been happening? It started about a week ago. The battery also drains quickly. I see. We can take a look at it. How long do you need the repair to take? How long will it take to fix? It usually takes about 2 hours. Would that work for you? Yes, that's fine. How much will it cost to fix it? The repair will cost $50. Does that sound okay? Yes, that's reasonable. Will my data be safe during the repair? Yes, your data will be safe. We won't touch your personal information. Great. Can I schedule an appointment for today? Sure, I can fit you in right now. Perfect. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. That was fun. I feel much more confident about discussing mobile phone repairs now. I'm glad to hear that. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Translate EN for more useful English lessons. Keep practicing and see you next time.